Hi, this is John with WTI. Is I'm always trying to look for ways that are gonna make cooking for me easier. I'm trying to stop eating out so much. So this is where this Hunt's Dash garlic chunks of tomato comes into place. So one of the things that I like the most about this is just how great is the flavor. Having this fire roasted tomatoes and the garlic and the whole thing, it just gives you an other dimension when it comes to cooking. Instead of just having a normal tomato sauce, this is put into the fire directly. So you get all these nice juices and the roasted filling of the garlic, the whole tomato. It just put pastas, meats, or even tacos. I've done almost everything with this. And the flavor and the sensation of having these chunks of tomatoes, it's natural, it's great, it's really flavorful. It just tastes awesome. So if you just want to make your cooking easier with adding a nice touch of the roasted garlic, the roasted tomatoes, this is actually pretty good. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.